Hey everyone, this is Mr. Vargas here. I just wanted to look at a few problems from your homework assignment. This is for Math 6, and this is assignment 4.6, lesson 4.6. This was a handout that you received on the 10th or 11th of January. Alright, hopefully this helps. Problems number 1 through 5 ask you to find the reciprocal of some fractions. And just a quick review, I'm going to do this over on the side. Remember, reciprocals are also called multiplicative inverses. And pretty much what that means is you're just going to flip your fraction. The numerator becomes the denominator, and the denominator becomes the numerator when you are working with the reciprocal. So for example, if I had the fraction 2 over 3, the reciprocal would be 3 over 2. So we're just doing kind of a switch of our numerator and denominator. So let's look at number 1. And remember, we are writing this on a separate sheet of paper, and you have your squares and your answer column on the right-hand side, your name, date, and period in the top right-hand corner of your paper. And go ahead and make sure you tell me the assignment that you're working on in the top center. Alright, so let's look at number 1. Find the reciprocal of 2/7. Well, that's going to be easy. We're just going to do a flip of the numerator and denominator. So the reciprocal is going to be 7 over 2. Not too bad. Make sure you write your answer in your answer column. I'll make sure to do that. It was 7 over 2. Okay, let's look at number 2. 1 over 9. That's not too bad. All we have to do is flip the numerator and denominator. So your reciprocal is going to be 9 over 1. And 9 over 1 is the same as 9, right? Any number divided by 1 is just itself. So go over to the answer column, and you can write in 9. Alright, I'll do one more of these, and then the rest you can do on your own. Number 3, we've got 3 over 8. And when I do the reciprocal there, just going to flip-flop. So that would be 8 over 3 is your reciprocal. Okay. Write that in my answer column. Alright. Number 4, you can go ahead and do that one on your own. I'll just show you the rest of the problems in case you lost your paper. Number 4, you can do that one. Number 5, you can give me the reciprocal for that one. Alright, let's go to number 6. Now we are dividing fractions. In particular, we are taking whole numbers and then dividing those by fractions. So here I have a whole number, and on the right I have a fraction. Just a quick reminder, we learned about this in when we are dividing fractions, we are going to use the keep, change, flip, KCF, almost KFC, but not quite. KCF, and remember that's keep, change, and flip. Alright, so let us look really quickly at number 6. We've got 2 divided by 1/3. So following along with KCF, keep, change, flip, we are going to keep the first number the same. And in this case, it's just a whole number, which is also the same as 2 over 1. Then we are going to change the division sign to a multiplication sign. So change the division sign to a multiplication sign, and then you are going to flip the second number, or the second fraction, and that's why we learned about reciprocals, knowing when to flip. So I'm going to flip 1/3, and that becomes 3 over 1 after we've flipped it. So once again, we kept the first number the same, changed the division sign to multiplication, and we flipped the second number, or the second fraction, using the reciprocal. So 1 over 3 became 3 over 1. And now you try to cross cancel if you can, but here we cannot cross cancel. So let's just go ahead and multiply straight across the top and the bottom to get our answer. 2 times 3 is 6, and 1 times 1 makes 1, and we know that 6 divided by 1 is 6. Any whole number divided by 1 is just itself. Okay. Go ahead and put your answer in your answer column. So this was number 6, and what do you know, the answer was also 6. Okay, one more. Number 7. Number 7, we are going to use the keep, change, flip idea once again. So 2 stays the same, and if I want to write a whole number as a fraction, I just put a 1 underneath. Okay, that keeps it the same. 2 divided by 1 is the same as 2. Then we're going to change our division to multiplication. So we change that there. And then we are going to flip that second fraction using the reciprocal. We change that to 5 over 2. Alright. See if we can cross cancel, and this time we actually can. The 2 and the 2 can cross cancel. We can simplify these numbers and make the multiplication easier. 2 goes into itself 1 time, and 2 goes into itself 1 time. Now that's really easy to multiply. Straight across the top and bottom. 1 times 5 is 5, and 1 times 1 is 1. 5 divided by 1 is equal to 5. So there's your answer. You can go ahead and write that in your answer column. Okay, I'm going to let you guys do the rest on your own. You've got number 8 right here, 13 divided by 3 over 5. Number 9 and 10 are word problems, and if you're struggling to make sense of the word problem, I want you to actually be able to focus on the math here, so I went ahead and wrote the division problem for you. So number 9 should be 20 divided by 1/3. Once again, you're going to use the keep, change, flip concept. And for number 10, you have 72 divided by 1/4. Alright, hope this helps. Good luck.